Hi student, today we are studying the a Mendel's third law, that is the law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. The law of independent assortment is explained with the help of a dihybrid cross. With the help of a dihybrid cross. Means the a Mendel's third law, that is the law of independent assortment, is explained with the help of a dihybrid crosses. जैसे लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस स्टडी करते समय ये मेंडल ने क्या करे, डायब्रिड क्रॉस कंसीडर करे. ओके, मीन्स द इन ए डायब्रिड क्रॉस ए क्रॉस बिटवीन द येलो राउंड एंड ग्रीन रिंकल. ओके, Mendel selected a color of seed and the form of seed. Color of seed के बारे में yellow and green and form of seed rounded and the wrinkled. ये दोनों का क्रॉस करने के बाद यहाँ पे देखो ये जीनोटाइप्स कैपिटल वाई वाई कैपिटल आर आर क्रॉस विद द ए स्मॉल वाई वाई स्मॉल आर. ओके, these are the homologous or pure parents. That in a up to generation, the yellow round, yellow wrinkle, green round and green wrinkle, ये पेरेंटल कॉम्बिनेशन के बारे में 9 प्लांट्स है और 1 ग्रीन wrinkle. But in a up to generation, a new combinations are produced. Like a yellow color is associated with the wrinkle and green color is associated with the round. This is the a law of independent assortment. Means their statement when hybrid possessing a two or more pairs of the contrasting factors and which forms a gametes. The factors in each pair can be segregated or separated independently of the other pair. Means the yellow color is independent for round and green color is independent for wrinkle. Okay, so this is the a statement of the law of independent assortment. म्हणजेच पहा येलो कलर हा इंडिपेंडंट आहे राउंड पेक्षा आणि ग्रीन कलर याच्यापेक्षा वेगळा आहे, इंडिपेंडेंट आहे. तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट. ओके, इन ए पैरेंटल कॉम्बिनेशन द येलो कलर इज एसोसिएटेड विद द राउंड एंड ग्रीन कलर इज एसोसिएटेड विद द wrinkle. But in a up to generation a new combinations are produced with the yellow color wrinkle, green color round. Means the each and every factor are independent with each other. That is called as the law of independent assortment. Means the ये मेंडल्स थर्ड लॉ क्या बोलता है, तो each and every character is independent with each other. Each and every factors are independent with each other. That is called like a law of independent assortment, and it is explained with the help of a dihybrid cross. Okay, and phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1 means the 9 plus 1 is a parental combination and 3 plus 3 is a new combination. Generation, there is a new combination of a traits. Means the in a parental cross yellow color is associated with the round and green color is associated with the wrinkle. But in a up to generation a new combinations are produced like a yellow color associated with the wrinkle and the green color is associated with the round. This is the a new combination. Means the in a up to generation yellow round as to yellow wrinkled. As to green, round. As to green, wrinkled. Means the 9, 3, 3, 1. This is the a phenotypic ratio of the hybrid cross. Means the yellow round are 9, yellow wrinkled 3, green round 3, and green wrinkled 3. Means this is the a new combination. A 9 plus 1 is a parental combination, and 3 plus 3 is a new combination. Means the in AF2 generation, the yellow color is associated with the wrinkled and green color is associated with the a round. Means this is the a new combination. Means the in AF2 generation, each and every character is independent with each other. That is called as the law of independent assortment. Means the yellow color is independent and round form is also independent. Means the in AF2 generation, a new combinations are arise. Like a yellow color. यहाँ पे देखो ये parental combination है. In a parent yellow round and green wrinkled. But in AF2 generation, a new combination is produced like a yellow wrinkled and the green round. Means the in a phenotypic ratio, yellow round as to green wrinkled 9:1, and new combination, that is the yellow wrinkled as to green round 3:3. This is the a new combination. Means the ratio between the parental combination and new combination is the a 10:6. Okay, so this is the a new combination. Is the parental combination, yellow color is associated with the round, but there is a new combination and green color is associated with the wrinkled, and there is a new combination, yellow color is associated with the wrinkled and green color is associated with the round. Means the according to the law of independent assortment, each and every character is independent in AF2 generation. That is called as the law of independent assortment. Okay, thanks.